All right, here's the next adventure. Our old salt hoe is apparently getting retired or bumped down to secondary status, going with this sexy little machine. But the bucket's wrong. So this is the second bucket to the one that I designed and built. That's exactly a ton. We're gonna go ahead and mount her up to this here case. I'm just gonna unpin it, make some new ears for that one, and then pin her up. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so that didn't suck at all. Yay! That's the MVP. Heat and beat. All right, so anyway, we got that done. We're gonna go ahead and cut some stuff up and make this thing fit. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, got my plates cut out, and I got my bosses cut out and pins ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and start sticking this together. All right, and there she is, all kind of mocked up in place and centered and ready to go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack my bosses. I have them pinched tight, so I have my center line. I'm gonna tack my bosses, and then I'm gonna spread those out just a little bit to give me some clearance. And yeah, but that's how she's gonna look. So let's get to burning. All right, got her all fully welded up, welded the bosses, welded everything. She's all good to go. Got my clips back in, and full function check. She works exactly like she's supposed to. So we're gonna paint this one as done. Oh, and as far as painting it, we're gonna have to wait until the storm passes because we need it right now, right meow. So anyway, yeah, see ya.